Hey everyone, in this video we're touring a package-free grocery store that has all the essentials you would find in a regular grocery store, but without all the packaging. Zero waste and package-free stores are popping up all over the place, and they're making it easier for people to reduce the amount of waste they take home each time they shop. Buying products without any packaging is still a pretty new alternative, so we're meeting up with Anna from Bear Market in Toronto to get a full tour of a package-free grocery store and to see how it all works.
So you can shop with us for body care, home care, dry goods, frozen foods, produce, DIY ingredients, and when you're done, you can get a drink at the cafe. It can be a little different if you've never shopped at a package-free store before. So customers can bring their own containers or borrow some of ours to fill up on all their favorite products. So first, you would maybe grab a cart or a basket and then head on over to our tear station. If you choose to bring your own containers, we want to weigh them first before you put any product in. That way, once you do fill them up, we can subtract the weight of the empty jar and you're only paying for the product that's actually inside. So now that all your jars are weighed, we can go start shopping. So we're in our low waste section here. These products you can purchase for your home or body, and the great thing about them, at end of life, they either decompose or can be recycled. So this dish brush plus replacement head is one of our best sellers and a really easy swap to start your low waste lifestyle. The replacement head is made out of wood and corn fibers, so it can decompose at end of life. We sell toothpaste in refillable glass jars here, and we have 6 different flavors you can choose from. So here we have some refillable body care. We have conditioner, body lotion, shampoo, and body wash and shower gel. So these containers are refillable by the supplier and also refillable in your own jars. Other things in this section would be like wooden hairbrushes, toilet paper, safety razors, toothpaste tabs, other brushes for your home cleaning, many different menstrual products, and any soap that you could wish for. We have a lot of soap. In the back corner over here, we have our home care and body care in bulk. So along the wall there, you can see all the carboys laid out. We have an aerator machine that pushes air through all the carboys to help them come out faster, so you're not standing there all day. We have lots of different laundry options, dish soap, toilet bowl cleaner, and other cleaning products like multi-surface cleaner or surface sanitizer. So today I'm grabbing some lavender laundry. So this is one of my favorite parts of the store, actually. We have various oils and vinegars on tap here, so you can fill them right into your own containers. So today, I'm gonna fill up on some canola oil. This is our bulk spice section, so you can fill up on your spices without having to get those annoying little plastic bags. And filling up in bulk, you'll actually notice a huge price difference. You'll save a lot of money by filling up in bulk here. Behind me here is our bulk dry goods section. You'll find lots of different pastas, flours and other baking needs, dried fruit and nuts. And this is the yummiest section of the store, in my opinion. We have potato chips in bulk, as well as gummy candies, chocolate covered nuts, anything to satisfy your sweet or salty cravings. We sell produce, both refrigerated and non-refrigerated, and we're passionate about sourcing local options as much as possible, and mostly organic produce. Something we're passionate about here is keeping produce on the shelves, even if it doesn't look perfect, but is still great to eat, just like the pears here. They have some imperfections, but they're still perfectly good. We reuse these green pints in store, so I'm gonna transfer them into my bag here and leave this at the cash. I'm also gonna grab a couple cucumbers. These items are unnecessarily wrapped in plastic, in my opinion, so I love that these come package-free. Like everything else in the store here, you can grab as much or as little as you like, so I'm just gonna take 1 stem of grapes because that's all I need. We are so excited to have dumplings from Feast To. They're made locally here in Toronto, handmade, and they're absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna get some veggie dumplings. And we have lots of other frozen items as well. We sell package-free frozen fruit here. We also have meat alternatives and dairy-free ice cream and more. So we're passionate about reducing waste in all aspects of our supply chain. So one awesome example of this is with our dairy-free ice cream. We teamed up with a local chocolatier who, before working with us, used ice cream containers that would eventually be recycled or thrown out. But we asked them if they could switch to returnable and refillable deposit jars, which they were happy to adopt that practice as well. So you can enjoy some delicious dairy-free ice cream without the waste. This is our closed loop cafe and deli. So here we have some fresh bread delivered every day. And when we have some leftover surplus bread, we turn it into crostinis or croutons. So that helps us close the loop on our food waste. Here you can also get bulk deli items like many different types of cheeses, dips like hummus or tzatziki, cream cheese, and we also make yummy coffees to go here. You can either bring your own mug for us to pour it right in, or if you forget or you weren't planning to get a coffee, we have donated reusable mugs that you are welcome to use. We have hired on an expert in-house chef, and she creates recipes tailoring to the foods that we commonly have surplus of, so we can salvage them, turn them into something delicious and beautiful. So this is a consistent way that we can mitigate our food waste and make delicious meals to go. Staying true to our mission of being a one-stop shop, we've brought in more packaged goods in plastic alternatives because we know sometimes you don't have time to do a whole bulk shop. So you can just take what you need and go. So we just did our full shop at the store. My cart is full of goodies, most of them package free, and if not, in glass or tin or paper, which can be recycled or reused. This is just a small example of how you can reduce your packaging and waste with just your regular grocery shop. I found everything I needed here and was able to eliminate most of the packaging that I otherwise wouldn't be able to at the conventional grocery store. We're just one small business in one city, but more and more stores like this, package-free, bulk refilleries, are popping up even in spots that you might find surprising. While that is super encouraging, and I love to see that this mission is really being pursued and furthered by different communities, the reality is that big change has to come from big players. My dream would be to see large conventional grocery stores adopt some of these lower waste practices, because us little small guys here are proving that it is possible. We steer away from using terms like zero waste because we feel it sets an unrealistic and often unattainable standard that people feel pressured to live up to. Instead, we love to use terms like low waste lifestyle or reduced waste, as we feel this opens the door for people and allows them to see that all the choices they make, big or small, are contributing to their lower waste lifestyle. It's really about the masses making small choices versus a few people doing it 100% perfectly. Another reason we avoid terms like zero waste is because unfortunately you can't always have 100% transparency throughout every step in the supply chain to guarantee that the product in front of you is actually zero waste. My own personal journey with low waste lifestyle started about 3 years ago. I was living out in Banff National Park. While I was living out there, I visited my first ever refillery, and walking into that store was the first time I ever saw a bulk refill shop. I realized that there was an industry and a place I could work and not have to sacrifice any of my own values, which was really exciting to me. That's when I found Bear Market here in Toronto, and I get to educate and share the celebration of lowering waste and shopping package free with everyone else who comes in to shop here.